How to create territories. Put territories to the territory layer. First select the layer and then enable editing the layer. Let's zoom into the territory we want to add. Use the hand tool to drag the map and the mouse wheel to zoom. Use the Add Polygon feature tool. Left-click to draw a polygon feature, one point at a time. After you're done, right-click anywhere to stop drawing. Write the territory's details in the feature attributes. On first use, the dialog can be too small, so make it bigger. The number, addresses and region will be shown on the territory card like this. Click OK when you're done. Use the vertex tool to change a polygon after it has been created. Left-click the point you want to move, and left-click again where you want to move it. To add a new point, left-click between two existing points. To remove a point, left-click it and then press backspace or delete. This newly created polygon feature has not yet been saved. Click the Save Layer Edits button often to not lose your data. Disable editing the layer after you're done adding territories. Note that there is also this other Save button. It saves the QGIS project file, which includes layer styles and settings, but it does not include the features on the layers. To edit feature attributes, use the Identify Features tool. Open the Edit Feature form. And do your changes as before. You can configure this form to open automatically when clicking a feature. To restore the previous behavior, open the Identify Results panel from the View menu. And unselect that option. That's all you need to create and edit territories.